Imagine holding a drone in the palm of your hand that can shoot stunning 6K cinematic video, fly for nearly an hour, dodge obstacles from every direction, and still weigh less than your smartphone. Sounds like science fiction? No, it's not. It's the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and it's here to completely change the way we think about compact drones. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist, a travel vlogger, or just someone who wants to impress friends at family picnics, this little beast is about to make you very popular. DJI has been leading the mini drone market for years, with the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro already setting high standards in portability, camera quality, and intelligent flight features. But the Mini 5 Pro isn't just a small upgrade. It's a serious leap forward. It's keeping the magical under 249 grams weight, meaning no license needed in most countries, while packing in features usually reserved for larger, more expensive models. It's small enough to take anywhere, but powerful enough to rival pro-level drones. Design dash-wise, the Mini 5 Pro still has that ultralight foldable body we all know, but with clear refinements. The arms are smoother, the folding mechanism feels sturdier, and the gimbal housing is re-engineered for better wind resistance, meaning fewer shaky shots when conditions aren't perfect. DJI has also upgraded the composite materials for more durability without adding weight. The propellers are now quieter, making it perfect for stealthy golden hour footage or even filming wildlife without scaring them off. On the camera side, the upgrade is massive. The new 1-inch CMOS sensor offers improved dynamic range, sharper details, and excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for everything from sunsets to night cityscapes. With an adjustable aperture from f1.7 to f4.0, 10-bit HDR, and D-Log-M, you get cinematic control over your shots. This is also the first mini drone to record 6K at 60 fps, with buttery smooth slow motion at 4001 to 0 fps. In short, it's a professional camera that just happens to fly. Flight performance has been taken up a notch too. The new propulsion system pushes the top speed to 17 meters per second and handles winds up to level 6 around 44 kilometers per hour with ease. Battery life has two options. The standard battery gives up to 38 minutes, while the Plus battery extends that to a jaw-dropping 50 minutes, letting you capture more without constant landings. The intelligent flight modes have also been supercharged. ActiveTrack 6.0 uses improved motion prediction to keep up with moving subjects. Point of Interest 4.0 delivers perfectly smooth orbits. Master Shots 2.0 automates cinematic sequences. And Waypoint Navigation lets you pre-program flight paths for professional-grade shots with zero effort. These tools make it possible for complete beginners to get cinematic results while giving advanced pilots the creative flexibility they crave. For safety, DJI has introduced 360-degree obstacle sensing for the first time in a mini drone, with sensors covering the top, bottom, front, back, and sides. This drastically reduces the risk of mid-air collisions, even in complex environments like forests or urban streets. Advanced return to home with terrain awareness ensures the drone makes it back safely, and a DSB alerts warn you of nearby manned aircraft. For thrill seekers, the Mini 5 Pro also supports FPV mode with DJI Goggles 3, giving you an immersive first-person flying experience with ultra-low latency video. The connectivity side, DJI's new O for transmission technology delivers rock-solid live video up to 20 kilometers away, even in areas with heavy interference. The next-generation smart controller features a brighter, higher-resolution screen, better battery life, and faster touchscreen response. Once you've landed, the updated DJI Fly app uses AI to automatically select the best clips, add smooth transitions, suggest background